Hey, today on Southern Boys Outdoors, y'all, we steaming crawfish. Here's what we're using to steam the crawfish today. We're using an 80-quart Loco. I like how they got these brackets right here. That way you can set it down in the pot like that. Turn it, holds it about 1.5 inches off the bottom. We're putting the water in the Loco. We just want to bring it about 1 inch above the bottom of the basket. Now we got the basket set about 1.5 inches off the bottom. About right there, that's all the water you need to steam your crawfish. There's some oranges, lemons, garlic, potatoes, the onions, got everything all right there on this tray. Now you can either squeeze them oranges in and them lemons in, or you can just dump them in. Guess what? We're gonna dump them in there. Seasoning we're using today, 4 pounds of the Southern Boys crawfish boil right here. Ooh, that smells good. Southern Boys right there, y'all. All right, y'all, we're getting everything all mixed up now. Y'all, this is our soak pot. So we got to bring it to a boil for about 20 minutes to cook them potatoes. Once them potatoes are cooked, we're going to be able to shut it down, and this is what we're going to use to soak our crawfish. The soak pot, baby. All right, y'all, getting the crawfish all washed up. Getting them ready for the steamer, boy. The steamer today. The Loco cranked up. Y'all, we got about 2 inches of water in the bottom of it. What we're going to do is we're going to bring that to a boil, and once it starts boiling, we're going to add them crawfish in there. Look at them big pretty crawfish, y'all. So here they go, in the steamer. All right, y'all, these crawfish been steaming for 10 minutes. Check them out. Time to shut them down. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this picked up off that bottom. Turn this back down like that. Shutting it down like that. We got all our lemons, our onions, our oranges. Got everything in this pot right here, y'all. Check it out. Our garlic. We got our potatoes down in the bottom. Oh man, don't that look so good? Some crawfish dumped in here. Like that. There you go. And get them pushed down. Now we just want them crawfish to soak up all that good Southern Boys seasoning. All right, y'all, time to add that corn. Got them little brandy bees right there. Got them mushrooms and sweet peppers. Oh, look at that, huh? Don't that look good? Dump it in there. And that's gonna help cool down that water. Push that corn underneath them crawfish like that. There you go. Now we wash them crawfish. They were washed before they came here. We washed them 2 or 3 times, and check this out. Look at all that mud in there, y'all. That right there would be soaking in your crawfish. That would be soaking in your corn, in your sausage, in your potatoes, that muddy water. But we put it in the steamer, got all that off there, cooked the crawfish, got all the mud and everything off of it. Now you're gonna have a good, clean tasting crawfish boil. Now it's been about 30 minutes on soaking these crawfish, but look at that, y'all. Ain't that so pretty? Look at that right there, y'all. Oh, man. That's what I'm talking about right there. Got these crawfish out. Look at that. Popping out. Suck that head like that. Oh. That's what I'm talking about, right? Right there, y'all. Y'all, this here is the first time that I ever tried to steam crawfish. I'm telling you right now, it's pretty doggone good. As Dwayne would say, it's hitting.